hard to find. Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down low. You know it's
What's up, guys? I've got a quick tip for those out there who use tile leveling systems in order to avoid lippage. This can work for contractors, DIYers, homeowners, but here's an issue that we all find ourselves running into. After setting a certain amount of tile, you want to wrap up for the day. It's 5 o'clock. You come back the next day and you have thin set mortar already dry, already set up. And you are unable to insert the spacer here. This is a tile leveling system clip. You're unable to insert this into the tile. A couple of options. You can insert these the day of setting, and when you come back, these will be already underneath the mortar, but a lot of times we'll run into problems because it doesn't set properly and we struggle with lippage. We have found a great solution for this problem, and it involves a Dremel bit like this. I'm sorry, a multi-tool bit like this. Dremel makes this one. I'm sure you can find this elsewhere. It's a diamond. I believe it's a grout removal tool. That's what most people use this for. We use it to remove enough thin set mortar so that we can set our clips. All right, guys, so here it is. Your grout removal bit. Here's the tricky part. Here is grout removal bit. Now, we bought it, we tried to use it. Unfortunately, the distance from this lip to the diamond is not deep enough to accept the clips. So what you do is simple. You have to modify this bit with a grinder and a cutoff wheel. Let me show you what we did here. This is the modified grout removal bit. As you can see, we cut this lip off. Here is a new grout removal bit. So you cut about, I don't know, I would say a 1/4 inch off, which will give you enough depth to accept the clip. So buy this, use a grinder with the cutoff wheel, cut off a 1/4 inch of this lip here. Well, there you go. As you can see right here, this lip is cut off to give enough depth here in this grout removal bit to remove enough thin set to accept the depth of this clip spacer for a tile leveling system. So let me show you how this works. You can come closer. Insert your bit like that. All right, so you got your diamond bit here. Clear out space in order to accept this clip. Here we go. Take your clip, insert it into the cavity that you just created, and then continue setting. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to talk about a void under here. Once we start troweling some mud, we will fill that void with mud. You can mark it here with a pencil if you like. Fill the void with mud, insert the clip, and continue to set your tile. This tool and this bit saves us a lot of headache when we come back to continue to set large format tile or porcelain planks with the tile leveling system. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the quick tip on how to help with installing large format tile or porcelain planks using a tile leveling system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.
Remember me, for my name is Perseus. My name is Perseus. My name is Perseus.